about the film. ಹೇಗನ್ನಿಸ್ತು ಏನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಾತು?
I can't speak Kannada. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. Maybe I can speak only that much, and I'm so happy and glad to be here. Drishya is of course a Malayalam film, and the second part, I mean I could perform the first part and now the sequel has come, Drishya 2, and even in Malayalam we had a lot of expectation when Drishya 2 came. So I hope even the Kannada audience will have the same kind of expectation for Drishya 2 in Kannada too. When I did the film Drishya 2, when we all came back to the shooting, as Vasu sir rightly said, I was feeling like, coming back home. Like being with Ravi sir or Swarupani and everyone. It's like we are all so close to each other, and that comfort level you can see while watching the film also. Unfortunately, I can't speak Kannada, so I couldn't dub the film. Otherwise, in Malayalam, I dub myself. So I didn't watch the film after shooting. Otherwise, we all artists get to watch the film while we are dubbing. But everyone, including Ravi sir, Vasu sir, even the producer, Sarathi and Mukesh ji, and also the trailer has been edited by Don Max, right? Yeah, so he also called me and told that Navya, the movie has come out really well. So by the words of everyone like this, I myself have a big hope that the film is going to come out so well. And about Ravi sir, he's such a humble person, being such a big star in Kannada industry. He treats everyone the same in the location. And it's very comfortable to work with you, sir. Every scene, every shot, even though I can't speak Kannada well, he supports every actor, and of course to me too. And we had a very good rapport with each other, and definitely it's going to help the film. And the captain of our ship, Vasu sir, I got an opportunity to work with almost every good directors in Malayalam in my career, and you are one of the best, sir, because the way you explain this scene, you need not have to improvise a lot, because everything you can recollect from, you just have to imitate him, and I have only done that. If anything is good about my acting, it's only whatever you have told me or whatever you have shown to me on the location. And about the producers, one of the finest producers in Malayalam, and E4 Entertainment, they know how to make cinema and they know how to execute it so well. And to Sarathi and Mukesh ji, I have had a great time working with your production department. Everyone in the production department are so close to each other, and they gave a good vibe in the location, and we could finish the film so well with so much of problems. We were shooting at the time of COVID, and we had a lot of restrictions and regulations, but still we could finish the film so smooth because of the production department and the director's captaincy. And all the artists in the location, like that Suru and all, she's my favorite. Everyone was so close to each other, and I just love this team, Drishya, and I really pray that it should come out so well. And thanking Kannada film industry, that I have done very few films only in Kannada, but some of the films are well accepted by Kannadigas. And in my Instagram, I still get a lot of messages from Kannadigas talking about my first film, Gaja and all. And thanking everyone once again and hoping for a big hit. Thank you, Sudeep sir, for coming here. We don't know each other personally, but I think I have been called for a film of yours, but unfortunately couldn't work with you. And again, you're a big star, and I'm so thankful that you have come here for this trailer release. Thank you so much. Thanking everyone.